Google TV remote not working fix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Google TV remote not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your Google Cast voice remote is not working, then follow the steps below. The first method is remove both batteries from the remote. Next, while checking the LED on the remote, reinsert the batteries. If the LED does not flash twice, continue to the next step. The LED is unmarked on the front of the remote below the power button and inputs button. It's only visible when it's showing a status light. Next, complete within 2 seconds. While checking the LED, remove and reinsert the battery that's closer to the volume button. If the LED still does not flash twice, repeat this step. Next, while checking for the LED to flash twice, replace both batteries with the original batteries that came with the remote. If those batteries are not available, use 2 fresh 1.5 volt AAA batteries. Next, remove both batteries and wait for 5 minutes. While checking for the LED to flash twice, reinsert the batteries. And if the LED still does not blink, follow the troubleshooting steps. Under voice remote does not work at all. And this is how you can fix Google TV remote not working fix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.